Welcome to my channel, Chemistry Class. Dear student, I hope you are doing well. So today we are starting a very important biomolecules, which is lipids. My dear student, in the previous classes we discussed carbohydrate, protein, and now today we are going to discuss lipids, which are major storage molecules of the body. So let's discuss and detail step by step. Definitions of lipids. Lipids are organic compounds that are insoluble in water or soluble in organic solvents like ethers, chloroform, benzene. Contain carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Have less oxygen compared to carbohydrates. In simple words, lipids are fats, oils, and fat-like substances present in living organisms. Why are lipids important? Lipids are essential because they store large amounts of energy. Second one, form cell membranes. Third one, protect internal organs. Fourth one, help absorb feed-soluble vitamins like vitamins A, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K. Fifth one, maintain body temperature. Chemical nature of lipids. Most lipids are formed from glycerol, have which is C3H5 and COH healthy 3, and fatty acids, which are R-band COOH. When three fatty acids react with glycerols, a triglyceride is formed. Reaction C3H5 and COH healthy 3 plus 3 or intercedable OH gap C3H5 and 2 double O C bond R healthy 3 plus 3H2O. This reaction is called esterification reaction. General characteristics of lipids. Lipids, first one, grassy in nature and soluble in water, weighed 9 kilojoules per gram, in highest energy among biomolecules. Stored in adipose tissues, can be solid or liquids. Examples of lipids: butter, ghee, cooking oil, wax, cholesterol, phospholipids. So, my dear student, this is all about today's lectures on lipids and reactions. I hope you understand. So, if this lecture will help you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more chemistry lectures, and share it with your friends and comments your questions. Take care and see you in the next class and discuss, inshallah, classifications of lipids. So, take care. Thank you for listening.